Hi, in this video we will discuss about how we can export data from Power BI embedded URL public report. The first step is we have to create the embedded codes with the published report. Step number 1, that first you have to open your report in the workspace that you have to edit it. Select the file, then move towards the embed report. The next one is the publish to the web. Then you have to check it that either are allowed to publish your report via public or not. If not, then you have to contact your Power BI admin that you are give the permission to create the embedded codes. When the permission is granted, then you have to click on it, and this dialog box will appear. You have to select and click on the option create embed code. After creating the embedded code, then you have to move towards the admin portal and select the tenant settings. While selecting the tenant settings, you have to see in this visual that enable the embedded code and creation, but does not enable to the publish to the web. Then you have to click on the enable option. After clicking on the enable option, then you are able to enable your embedded code.
शुक्र भाई
Thank you.